Hello friends, this is a very special day for me. Yes, because today is day 30 and it's my last day of my 30 days English speaking challenge. So friends, this journey was not easy for me. When I started this challenge, I was not confident and I was not scared of my making mistake. Okay, my pronunciations was limited. Many times I felt like giving up. But I told myself one thing: if I don't start, nothing will be changed. I come from a middle class family. No on first me to learn English. Okay, but I wanted to improve my English and I wanted to speak English with confidence. I wanted to grow in my life. In these 30 days, I learned one very important lesson: consistency is more important than practice. Okay, and the perfection. I did not speak perfect English every day. I made many mistakes. Sometimes I forgot words. Sometimes I spoke wrong grammar. But I spoke every day single. I spoke every single day. Friends, mistakes are not our enemies. Mistakes are our teacher. And if you want to increase your English and if you want to improve your English, so you have to speak every day and at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, if you are waiting to speak perfect English, then you will wait forever. Yes, friends, tomorrow never come. Okay, and but if you start speaking today during this challenge, okay, and if you want to improve your English, so you can take the good direction for improve your English. I learned new words. I learned how to think in English. I learned how to speak without fear. Most importantly, I learned to believe in myself. Friends, English is not a talent. English is a skill. And any skill can be learned with practice, patience, and positivity. If you are watching me and thinking English is not for me, then let me tell you one thing: I can speak. If I can do it, also you can do it too. Don't compare your beginning with someone else's success. Speak slowly, speak daily, speak confidently. Today is the last of my 30 days challenge and I learned lots of things because of my challenge. Okay, and but this is not the end. This is a new beginning. I promised myself that I will continue speaking English. I will continue learning. I will continue improving. Finally, I want to say thank you to everyone who supported me and who motivated me and who believed in me. And thank you to myself for not giving up. Friends, remember one line: small step every day create big result. This was my 30 days English speaking challenge. And if you didn't watch my previous videos, so please go on my YouTube channel and watch my all videos. And as you know, I am an English learner. I am not any teacher. And I belong to a middle class family and I have not environment for English speaking and I am not a student right now. So that's why I faced a lot of problem because of improving my English. So one day I thought, why not I will start a English channel, YouTube channel for improve my English, and then I started. But as I can say, it is not my final day, it is not my last day, because I will upload every day one video at least 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And I'm not very confident right now, but yeah, it can be. I am improving and I improved lots, so I can speak conversational and I can manage the situation while the speaking time. It's can be I believed myself and don't waste your time, because if you are an English learner and if you want to improve your English and you have not environment, so it is not a big problem, it is a simple problem. You have a mirror, you have a phone, so you can talk with mirror, in front of mirror, and you can speak on camera. So it's very good method for improve your English. Okay, so friends, thank you so much for watching and listening to me, and have you great day, and please comment me how is my English. And as I said to all of, first day I said, it is my first day, and I will check my all videos after 30 days. And today completed my 30 days English speaking challenge, and I will check today how many times I made mistake, because mistake are not my enemies, mistake my teacher. And as I know, if I will make mistakes, so definitely I will learn something from the mistake. Okay, so don't give up, keep practice, keep improving, and be positive. Thank you so much for watching this video.